Hello, math friends. Here we are again. It's Tuesday, Tiger Tuesday. I don't know if you watched the language video yet, but this is my friend Tyga, and he's joining us today for Tiger Tuesday. Isn't he cute? I think so. All right, you be a good boy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do our warm-up. Pause the video so you can write it all down neatly. I love how y'all have been nice and organized and neat. It's easier for you to do it, and it's easier for me to grade it. Go ahead. All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started. 7 times what is 63? Did you write 9? If you did, you're correct. Look at the fact family. I have 63, I have 7, so what's missing? That's right, 9. If 7 times 9 is 63, then 63 divided by 7 is 9, right? All right, we're going to go on to subtracting. Can I take 4 away from 6? Yes, I can. It's a 2. Can I take 7 away from 3? Nope, I can't do it. I need to regroup. This becomes a 4. This becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Final answer, 262. Next one, can I take 3 away from 4? I sure can. It's a 1. Can I take 5 away from 0? I cannot, okay? So I have to come over here. Regroup is a 5, and I'll move a 10 over. Makes that a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Final answer, 351. Okay, here we go. Our place value. We've got 300, and then we have 6 ones. What number does that make? Are there any 10s? There aren't. So what holds that place? That's right, a 0, because there aren't any. 300, 0 10s, 6 1s. 306. Did you remember the 0? I knew you would. Good job. All right, number 4, circle the even numbers. Where do we look for that? In the ones place. Okay, we're looking for 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. I got a 6. Yes. 1. No. 4. Yes. 8. Yes. 7. No. Even numbers, 16, 44, 38. Number 5, what kind of graph is this? Tyga, are you bored already? But we're doing math. You love math. Oh, you love tongue twisters better? Okay, get ready. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter, weather, better. Again. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter, weather, better. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter, weather, better. Almost. How is that? Needs work? Okay, I'll keep practicing. But back to math. All right, what kind of graph is this? Is it a bar graph? Does not have any bars. Is it a pictograph or picture graph? Nope, no pictures. Is it a circle? Yes, my data is represented in a circle. Looks like pies. Okay, so yes. All right, if the total number, so all these colors is 18, how many is the red? So I'm going to look at my pie. It looks like half my pie is red. So what would half of 18 be? 9, correct. Okay, what if they asked me about these colors? How would I figure that out? Well, if I know this half is 9, that half must be 9, and how can I divide 9 into 1, 2, 3 groups? Yes, all I would do is divide. What is 9 divided by 3? 3. Okay? So blue, green, and yellow are 3, and red are 9. Excellent. Okay, that's it for our warm-up. Go ahead and get out your math book, and we're going to open up to 670. Let me erase some of this. Okay, 670. Alrighty. Now, I don't want you to write in the book until I tell you to. We're going to be doing this talking back and forth, okay? So don't write until I tell you to. All right, so on 670, what we're talking about is looking at a graph and coming up with a question, okay? That's easy, and we would all have different questions, so that's why we're not gonna write anything down. We're just gonna talk about it. Now look at books we read. Think of a question that you could ask with that data. Okay, so you see at the key there was one smiley face for one book. So you could ask something like, how many books did Craig and Kyle read together? Did you think of that one? Or how many more books did Lori read than Kyle? Okay, or how many books did they read in all? You have a different question? Go ahead and ask it. Okay, all right. Let's move on to the favorite pet graph. What kind of question could you ask for that? What about how many more people liked dogs than cats? What would the answer be? You can see it really quickly, right? One heart stands for one child. The dog line is just one more heart longer. Yeah, so it's just one, okay? So all this lesson was today was to ask questions, which you all do very well. So we're gonna go ahead and turn to 672, okay? Jump ahead to 672, and now you can get your pencil ready. All right, so we are actually just going to look at number 6. That's the question at the bottom, Texas Test Prep. All right, but when we look at 6, we have to use the graph above, which is called Ray's Toy Cars. Okay, now use the bar graph above. Which question could you use the bar graph to solve? So could I tell how many cars are the same size? Well, let me look at the graph, and down at the bottom it just says number of toy cars. It doesn't say anything about size. So could I answer that question? No, so that's not the answer. How many toy cars does Ray have? Well, we just said it's the number of toy cars, so that could be it, but let's check the final answer. Always check the final answer. Who has more red cars than Ray? Well, we don't know about anybody else because these are just Ray's cars. So we couldn't tell who has more because all we know is Ray. So that's definitely not it. So it is our middle answer. Go ahead and fill in that middle bubble. Very good. All right, now we are going to skip ahead again to page 674. Skip to 674. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and do this, and then we'll check it together. Pause the video now. Okay, we're back. Let's check it. Page 674, checking together. We have a bar graph of how we go to school, and each smiley stands for one child. So let's look at our questions. Adam walks to school. How many other children walk to school? Okay, so if Adam walks to school, that's one of the smiley faces. So how many more smiley faces are there? Did you catch that? Adam is one, and then we need to know how many more. So if there are 5 in all and Adam is 1, it would be 4. Did they trick you? Well, they didn't have a choice for 5, so hopefully you had to give it more thought if it tricked you at first. Number 5, Beth goes to school the way most of the other children go to school. How does she go to school? So let me think about that. The most would be the longest line of smileys, and I see that it's the bus. So did you mark bus? Good. Number 6, which question could you use the pictograph to answer? Which children get to go to school by car? Well, I don't know who they are. It just says children. Very general. I don't know specific children, so nope. How many more children like to walk to school? Well, I don't know what they would like. It's not about what the children like. It's about what they do. So no for that one. How many children bike to school? Yes, I can see that 2 children bike to school. I can answer that one. So I'm going to fill in the bubble. Okay? Wonderful. Now, you are going to download the 2 review worksheets about graphs. Okay? They look like this. There's a 242 and a 236. All right, I know it's just filling the bubble, but go carefully because it is for a grade. All right, take care and have a wonderful Tiger Day.